Hey love, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. It's Marisol here, and if you're new, thank you for being here. So in today's makeup tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I created this look. I'm using the Huda Beauty Nude Medium Palette. So it's perfect for fall season, and holidays is right around the corner, and it has a little bit of a shimmer and glitters to it. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I did prime my eye using a concealer and a translucent set powder. Any concealer that you have, or if you have an eyeshadow primer, much better. So here it is, the palette. It's the Huda Beauty Nude palette. It's a medium, and take a look closely with the shadow inside. Those are so beautiful. I had this makeup tutorial back in 2020. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'm going to include the link on the description box. So yep, and then by the way, priming the eye is very important, so your eyeshadow will last longer and it will be smoother. So since this palette don't have a transition, I think this is good when you have a darker skin or deeper skin. Mine is olive complexion, so this should be okay, but this is not going to be a transition shade to those who have a fair complexion. So you see, they're all warm tone. So first color that we're gonna be using is this color right here, and that's gonna go straight to my crease area. Yeah, this shadow is so pretty, and it's a warm tone. And then I'm not going to go higher to my creases because the color is warmer, and so we can able to diffuse the edge of the shadow. I'm just gonna get a little bit more. So I'm just doing a wiper windshield motion back and forth from the inner corner to the outer corner, and circular motion like that. You just have to really blend the color so it is nice and smooth. Alright, like that. And then with the same brush, I am going to take this color right here, the one in the middle. And then with the same brush, E35 from Sigma, I'm still using that brush, and it's still going into our to my crease. I'm just dipping up the color. Okay, with this clean brush, no product in it, like this one, I'm just going to diffuse the edge so it looks smoother and nice. So you want to have a color like that. Okay, so with the brush E25 from Sigma, I'm going to use this shade right here, this one, and that's gonna go on the outer part or outer corner of my eye, and just pack it there, and then you do a circular motion. Like that. And then whatever that's left on my brush, I am going to bring my bristle up to my crease just to intensify the color right there. And then alright, from the first brush that we used earlier, I am going to smoothen, diffuse the edges again one more time. Okay, so with the same brush, this E25 from Sigma, I am going to use, because this is like a flat brush, look at that. So I'm going to use this area here that's unused, and then I am going to use the darker brown. And then that's gonna go to my outer corner one more time. There, I'm going to pack and deepen more the color of the outer corner, and then you do a circular motion. And then I'm gonna go back, switch to that brush E35. I'm just going to diffuse the color. And then after that, I'm going to bring that a little bit here on the crease. And then with that clean brush earlier from Sigma as well, I am just going to blend that area. So with this brush from Sigma E54, I am going to dig in with this color right here. It's like a pinky bronzy color, I guess. It's just like a rose champagne, pink champagne right there. So I am going to apply that right exactly to my open lid. How am I gonna wet my brush? Let's see. I can't remember how pigmented, but this is a pigmented eyeshadow. Let's see. Okay, that's a lot better. Alright guys, this time I am going to use my finger. Oh, that is such a pretty color. Yeah, like that. And then I just want to re-intensify the side, the outer corner, right next to the shimmery color. I am going to apply this dark brown in here one more time. Alright, that's a lot better. Okay guys, so now I am going to just diffuse or blend the color with this no product brush we have here. Alright, so far this is how it's looking, but I kind of changed my mind. I'm going to use this Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow from Stila in the shade Tulip Twinkle, but this is totally optional. So since I created this eye makeup, which is perfect for fall, perfect for holidays, and for winter. Alright, so I am going to add on a little glittery and shimmery in the middle, and then I am going to, where's that brush? Okay, probably this one. So with this brush from Morphe M124, I am going to get a little product from that bristle, but I'm not going to use much. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. It's not bad. It adds a little more glow into our eyelid, like that. Alright, so from the first color that we used earlier, I'm using the Morphe brush M507. I am going to use this shadow right here, and I am going to apply that underneath my lower lashes just to smudge that dark color that we use. So alright, that's it. Just a basic eyeliner, and I'm going to apply my falsies and finish my face makeup off the camera, and I'll be right back. So now I am applying a highlighter on my inner corner so that our eye makeup look will pop more. Any highlighter you have is fine because that palette, the Huda Beauty, don't have you know, like that color for highlighter. And then also a little right below my brow. So now I am using a setting spray, the All Nighter from Urban Decay. And then after that, I'll be using the beauty blender that I used earlier while doing my face makeup, and I'm just pressing it in onto my skin very gently so that the foundation and the makeup will last longer and it looks smoother. Alright love, here's the final result. Please like this video if you did learn and enjoy, and please consider subscribing. That means a lot to me. I hope I'll see you in my next one. Keep safe everybody. Bye guys. Mwah.